Hey, baby, how you doing? How you doing?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, the Q&A. I got a voice, bro, but you gotta pay me to hear it. Today's video is a Q&A. I went on Instagram and I asked you guys, what questions do you have for me for this video? Although I had some people who saw my question on my timeline story, but had the nerve to swash. Was it swipe? Or was it swipe? What is it? Double tap to the next story? But anyway, some people have the nerves to double tap to the next story. I know who you are. But anyway, for those of you who did send me questions, thank you. If you are new to my page, hey, how you doing? We have this thing that we do before we start a video, okay? Do me a favor. There's a red thing that says subscribe. It's spelled S-U-B, subscribe. And it has like a bell next to it. Click it and then click that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. I'm not sure if it's down here or down here. It just says subscribe, so click it and then click that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. If you are one of those people who like to watch a video and then, you know, decide whether to subscribe or not, we ain't got time for that, okay? Just press subscribe. Let's get started with this video, okay? And question number 1, do you speak any languages, or how well? Well, I'm not sure if that made sense to y'all, but it didn't make sense to me. Do you speak another language? I'm pretty sure is what you meant to ask me, and how well. Tu me demandes. If you've seen my videos, that should answer your questions. That tells me that you don't watch my video. You haven't took the time to watch my video, so you don't know. Where have you been? I'm gonna be nice and answer this question and say, yes, I do. I sure do. Okay, so if you are new to my page, or if you've seen some of my other videos, I, mix my languages up. My first language is French. My second language is Lingala. And my third language is English. Girl, we speak 3 languages? Girl, we somebody's wife. But yeah, I speak 3 languages. How well do I speak them? I struggle with French because I grew up in America. I came here at age 7. So I kind of threw French out the window and I started speaking English. Mon Dieu, c'était terrible. But I was born in Congo. I'm from Congo, okay? I'm not from the Congo. I'm from Congo. I grew up in Europe. Kindergarten to 1st grade, I took them in Europe. And I learned German. I don't know anything about German anymore, but to answer your question, yes, I do. I'm trying to get back to speaking my home language, you know? I mean, je parle français seulement un peu, mais je suis en train de parler bien. Mais souvent quand je parle français, it's like, when I speak French, it's like, I feel like my lips are like this. Because French is a fancy language. So when you speak it, c'est comme si je parle comme ça. Quand je parle comme ça, c'est un problème. Comme si je peux pas parler. It's like I have peanut butter in my mouth, and it's not a good thing. But yeah, with my French, I'm kind of leaning towards my reading and writing because I struggle with my reading and writing, but I can understand very well. I don't want to be ignorant. I can't speak a language and not know how to write. So I'm trying to get into my reading and writing. With Lingala is more of a, I don't know, Lingala is only when I want to insult somebody, that's when I use it. That language is just made to insult people. Souvent dans le bagarre, souvent dans le bagatelle. Ça dépend. Sometimes it depends. Lingala for me is like, it's just ugly. Like, no disrespect. I mean, I have every right to say it because I'm Congolese. But Lingala to me is very ugly. Like, it's an ugly language. Lord have mercy. Lingala, I just speak it. I try to read Lingala. Like, I can read it depending on what you say. If you're just trying to scribble words through via text message, I'm gonna tell you, listen, you're gonna have to translate that to English, because Google Translate, I don't think Google Translate has Lingala down as a language. Question 2, do you have any siblings? Well, of course I do. I have plenty of siblings. Yes, I have siblings. How many countries have you visited? Oh, how many countries have I visited? Oh, I am horrible at accents. I was born in Congo. When I was about 4 or 5 years old, we moved to Ivory Coast. I visited, let's see, Switzerland, Germany, Côte d'Ivoire, which is Ivory Coast. So shout out to all my Ivoirians out there, where I ate the best aloko ever.
Ici c'est à loco, c'est pas compliqué, oh. C'est plantation de bananes, oh. Tu vas griller, oh. Au lieu de fourchette, oh. Ça fait pas bien piqué, oh. C'est avec râteau, tu vas manger, oh.
Don't ask me why, because that's getting a little too personal. We want to be right here, not right here. okay? So I'm right here with y'all. I don't want y'all to be here. Ivory Coast, Switzerland, Germany, France, and here in America. So I visited about 5 countries. I still have other countries in my bucket list that I want to visit. How tall are you? I am 6'2.5". I'm pretty tall. I know not everyone can handle a pretty girl being that tall. Like, no, but no, I am 5'4.5". Half matters. Deep down in my heart, I am 6 foot. I'm just saying. Seems kind of short, but don't tempt me. But yeah, how do you balance YouTube and school? Emoji face. There's a thing that I do that's called prioritize. I'm not even sure if I said that word right, but I prioritize. And school is number 1 on my list. If I don't have my schoolwork done, I don't do YouTube. And how I balance school and YouTube during the week is nothing but schoolwork. Although YouTube is fun to do, during the week I like to focus on my schoolwork, meaning from Monday to Friday. Okay? So what I do is Friday, Saturday, I try to record at least 3 videos. Those 3 videos will cover up my Monday upload, Wednesday upload, and Friday upload. Sometimes I go off track and I don't meet my Monday, Wednesday, and Friday upload. So what I do is during the weekend, I say Friday, while people are turning up, getting lit, I'm lit in front of this camera and I am focused, record as much and edit as much videos as I can. So if I do get a weekend that I'm really busy, I know that I have a video that I can upload during that week, if I'm making sense. Yeah, well, how do I balance school, YouTube? I prioritize, okay? I have to graduate. I'm trying to get out of this exam mindset, so we're trying to graduate. I don't even know what question this is, but how many pets do you have? What they are? You know, what are they? I don't have any pets. The closest to a pet I've had was a fish. Fish are pets because you have to clean out their tanks, you have to feed them, you have to make sure you're not putting too much in, because if you overfeed them, they can die. You basically are responsible. Next question. If I could pick 3 makeup items, what would they be? I'll be serious to answer this question. I'm not gonna pick 3 makeup items. You see how beat this face is? How do you expect me to answer this question? Like, you know how much work, how many items, makeup product I use just to beat this face? Girl, you tried it. You really tried it. But if I could pick 3 makeup items, it would be my Fenty Beauty e.l.f. You need a setting spray because you don't want to put on your foundation and it just creases up during the day. So that would be my second, my setting spray. And my third will be my mascara. Okay, because I need that bold eyelash look. Okay, you need that setting spray because I need my foundation to last all day. So those will be my top 3. e.l.f., Fenty Beauty, mascara, okay? I need my foundation to last all day. We're not trying to crease, baby. Oh no. Last question. What advice would you give someone that wants to start a YouTube? Start. What are you waiting on? Start. You don't need a fancy camera. I bought a camera after I reached 6,000 subscribers. During those 6,000 subscribers, I was using my phone. I learned that you have to first start from somewhere before you get to expensive equipment. The reason why I say this because you won't understand what it feels like to be at the bottom and reaching to your success. So I highly recommend you to start. Don't worry about the equipment. Use natural light if you have to. You just gotta chase your dreams. If you know what you really want, you will make it happen. So just start. Don't worry about the equipment. The equipment will come. And one thing most people don't talk about is if you get a sponsorship or if you get a company to want to work with you, just say yes. I mean, I'm not saying agree to everything. I'm saying, like, don't worry about the money. The money will come. If you're doing YouTube for the money, you're not gonna last. You are doing promotion for the money, it's not gonna work. So I would say start, do it with a purpose, don't do it for the money. And I know that with my purpose, the money will come. So don't do it for the money, okay? Do it because you want to do it, but don't get too comfortable with some of these companies. But yeah, do it for the purpose and don't do it for the money. With that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. You came close to my heart, but you were right here. But you didn't come right here. You were like right here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and sending me these interesting questions. I really enjoy answering them. If you like to see more Q&A videos, thumbs up this video, subscribe, and click that notification bell if you haven't. Click that bell and subscribe. With that being said, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.
That girl, that girl.